In Lae City, basic services usually provided by the City Council have ground to a halt over 10 years. Since 2015, the situation has become a crisis. Contractors have gone unpaid, and this year, the council has had no money in its operating account to pay its staff. As one of his first tasks, the Lae MP John Rosso initiated an investigation into the functions of the Lae City Council. The investigation found misuse of public funds, a lack of financial accountability, abuse of process in hiring staff, and nepotism.
We have 17 million kina in outstanding debts to service providers that the City Council has inherited. The staff at the City Council do not get paid regularly.
The investigation also found that financial systems had collapsed. If the council were a private company, it would have been declared bankrupt in January.
The council basically has no asset register. They don't know how many land they own, and they don't know which cars they own.
It was also found that state properties were sold, but the proceeds of the transactions were unaccounted for and didn't follow due government process. In other words, who the money was paid to can't be traced unless a detailed investigation is done into the accounts of those involved. While the council has a staff ceiling of 250, there are 500 people on the payroll. 250 additional names whose salaries are being paid for by the taxpayers of Morobe Province. When the Lae MP initiated this investigation, he didn't know that there had been previous reports done by the Auditor General's office. The findings of those reports were never made public, and they date back to 2013. The recommendations were never acted upon by the provincial government.
Morobe Provincial Government has failed to adequately put in place systems to correct this problem.
Within the next month, a committee will be set up by the Provincial Administration. That committee will act on the recommendations. It's expected the police fraud squad may be also called in to conduct criminal investigations. Scott Waide, National EMTV News, Lae.